It's a wonderful day out here in Alaska. Wait, balloon? Ballon's gone. It's a snowstorm on Walden. No care for the snowstorm. Doing the news report on a break that has been for 29 days. Everybody's like, okay, fine. Doing a news report on the criminal snowstorm.
I just cheated on my wife. I fucked her for beer last night. Everybody says I don't care. Wrong, baby. I like your mom. I like your mom. Already, yeah. I like balls, yeah. I like them balls. It's a one-on-one, yeah. I play with my tum-tum, yeah. That's what I do, right? Yeah. I just found Kim Kardashian laying in her bed naked. No, that's not good. Now I saw things. I saw your mom play with sexual toys. Always eat vegetables. Always eat them canned booty and vegetables. China! I just cheated on my wife. I fucked a polar bear last night. Everybody says I don't care. Raw, baby. I like your mom. I like your mom. I like your mom.